Good afternoon, MMTs. I got Baidu up here. Baidu made a high on April of 189 and some change. Then from that point, I'm going to show my MMTs and my worldwide traders and my prop traders. 37, 189.34. We make another lower low from the original lows over here. The original low on 327 was 144. We undercut the low and we have a 140.66 on 4-7. We made a high here on the calendar date of 6/6 of 2014 is 173.34 movement. That means from the selling to this rally, that means that Baidu only has a negative 16-point negative trend ratio. And not only that, it's had a 3-day rally straight up here. All your moving averages are going higher. SMF market maker traders have a very sophisticated program, and in this Excel, when I go to 4-7, you will be able to see clearly in here where we were trading at. And what I want to make clear is that Baidu hit that low right here on 4-7, and the close was 143. That is your lows, and this is, everybody knows what this is. This is a very sophisticated mathematical calculation in the up move versus the down move. That is the low. Now, MMTs, we're way over here hitting a high of 173, and that high was on June 6th, and that open was 166. We rallied up to 173, but let it be known that the low stayed the low at what? 166.5 with the closing level of 172.34 MMT. Now, MMTs and our worldwide traders, who is trading our Viking capital that we give, is that we can clearly see where these highs are and where the 3-day low was 160 and the 4 daily high is 173. So from 160, had a 13-point rally up. From 162 originally, we rallied from 162 on the 2 daily low to the 3 daily high, and that high will remain at 173.34. We can clearly see that the 3-day low, which is in the current price channel, was a 160.80 that happened on June 6th. And we rallied up. We rallied up to 172. And that the current low of 170 or 160.88 and the 173 does not change. So we can go back in time, but we're only going to work with the current price channel, and that is a $13 channel. That is a 160.8 low, and no matter what, that is a 173 high. The highs don't change until you break them, okay? And the lows don't change. 160.80 cents doesn't change until they are broke. Now, MMTs, here's the deal. Under our score that we have is it's very sophisticated. Now here, MMT, take a look. This is 78.83 on the high percent level that we have. And we're closing at these high levels. Open, high, low, and close in this system. Okay? Now, one thing about the indicators that are proprietary, and they don't lie, the math will never lie. Here is the long indicator, and here is the short indicator in our system. One of the most important things to the market maker is previous high to current low change, and these are ratios based in the MMT platform. For the people that are going to do the following, one thing you want to do is you're going to want to watch all the live videos and all the live trades that have been done on Baidu. Here's one of recent Baidu on 2014 it is, and one thing about it is you can also type in the search box Baidu. Just remember, everything is done during live market hours with the entries and the exits, and the trade management is all done. And not only that, go and click on the free trial. Get signed up today. Get started today. Click it. Once you get started, then you're going to take a look at opening an account. And you can open an account with Viking Capital. That is an affiliate of ours. And you can get started. And what they're going to do is give your account, when you open it up, say you have a $10,000 account, you're going to get $150,000 in intraday buying power. And read it. You won't have the pattern day trading rule. And you'll have state-of-the-art execution systems that you don't have. Just go through the content, sign up, listen, get involved in this bull rally. So basically, after going through everything here with the long indicator and the short indicator is in play. This is a 2-day percent change in the math as far as Baidu goes in this section of what the MMTs look at and base their decisions on. The math does not lie. The math does not lie. We are going to go as far as a 200-day percent change, and that is 26.73, okay, percent. Now, when we get involved with what? The 2-day high to low, this is the range of $6.84, okay? And there are different ranges over here that you can see that these are the, 5-day high to low. This is the actual bottom up or top down, but this are the ranges and they do not lie. Now, from this standard chart view on a daily is it was on sale. And not only that, MMTs, in your Excel model and your MMT model, you had a broader, wider consolidation through this area, as we said, and we broke out and we took out this last resistance level and we closed above it to that resistance level that goes clear over here. Here's the next resistance level. It's going to be right up here where MMT flag said, somewhere right around that one. Let's take a look. Yeah, it's going to be around the 175.50 area up here, and this is where the overall trend cycle that I'm going to point to you at is where that was the reversal to that low, and you can clearly see that this side of the distance is going up, and they're getting pretty equal now. So all I'm going to do is say one thing. That low and these lows here, which were right here, that's ascending. And not only that, once again, you have taken out this short-term resistance level, no matter what. And there it is there, 3 days straight up. And we're right back over here. Any move higher up to resistance levels, we are going to sell short Baidu tomorrow. And we are also going to buy Baidu, because when Baidu drops down to support to test the daily simple moving averages, that's where we get our net long positions. And this is a very bullish chart. You're above all your moving averages, 200-day, the 20-day, the 50-day, and also the blue line, the 10-day. There's nothing bearish about the chart on Baidu right now, because all the moving averages that are daily are pointing up. That means we will buy the dip, and as it goes up and hits that next resistance channel, which I said over here, we will sell short for an intraday trade. That could be 15 minutes, could be half an hour, who knows? It doesn't matter, but that wall of resistance, the stock will pull back, and then you get the short side and the long side. Once again, BIDU is at a major wall of resistance of its original reversals.